Welcome to the best picks. The best BHO Extraction Kit is probably one of the most sought-after tools for cannabis enthusiasts and those interested in exploring advanced extraction techniques, offering a blend of efficiency, safety, and precision for creating high-quality butane hash oil at home. But before you dive in, let's explore what makes a BHO kit stand out from the rest and guide you through the essential factors to consider for a safe and successful extraction process. Number 5. BACOENG 112-gallon vacuum chamber. It boasts a 3.6 CFM flow rate and 29.92 in Hg vacuum. The integrated tank and all-copper motor ensure powerful suction with relatively low noise levels. This 1.5-gallon chamber is made of strong stainless steel with a durable silicone gasket. The gasket is designed for over 10,000 uses without degradation. It features a liquid-filled gauge for accurate readings, measuring from 0-30 in Hg. A 5-foot reinforced hose connects directly to the pump. The acrylic lid offers 92% light transmittance, giving you a clear view of the degassing process. You can easily monitor and adjust the process as needed. It's not suitable for stabilization resins, alcohol, acetone, or acrylic monomers polymers. These solvents can damage the acrylic lid. For these materials, consider the BACOENG tempered glass lid chamber. What we like. It boasts a powerful pump and large chamber, perfect for various applications. The crystal clear lid lets you monitor the process. If you need high vacuum power and a large capacity for your projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great for what I need it to, but still can't achieve a perfect vacuum. In my case that's exactly what I need though, so that's fine. It's right below a total vacuum, maybe 1 inch of mercury left of pressure. Compared to atmospheric pressure, which is about 30 inches of mercury. So it can achieve 1/30 of the pressure in the air, which is enough for me, in my experience with it at least. Good quality for non-professional use. I took the pump apart to check the build quality, and it looks very good, no burrs or metal shavings left inside. The hose is very good quality compared to other brands. The vacuum chamber seems to be as well built as any other, and I haven't had problems with leaks. You must manually push the lid down to form a seal, then it pulls a vacuum very quickly. This hose easily detaches from the lid by unscrewing it, nice feature. Includes oil. Number 4. Bestauto 1.5-gallon vacuum degassing chamber kit. It boasts a powerful 2.5 CFM single-stage pump, built with a durable aluminum alloy and copper motor for reliable performance. The non-oil flow-back design keeps your chamber clean. This 1.5-gallon stainless steel chamber is built tough, able to withstand temperatures up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The silencers and 50-micron filter ensure quiet and clean operation. An oil viewing window lets you easily monitor oil levels, while intelligent radiators prevent overheating. Built-in thermal protection adds an extra layer of safety. It includes a crystal-clear acrylic lid for easy viewing, a non-stick silicone gasket for simple cleanup, and a reinforced hose for lasting durability. It's perfect for various tasks, from household air conditioning and auto maintenance to vacuum packaging and degassing resins and other materials. Its portability makes it ideal for many uses. This kit combines a high-performance pump with a robust chamber, providing a complete solution for your vacuum needs. Experience the difference of quality engineering. What we like. This model is known for its robust build and quiet operation. It's designed for long-lasting performance and minimal noise. If you value durability in a peaceful workspace, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It does a great job of degassing resin in a short amount of time, 5 minutes for 8 ounces. Excellent vacuum chamber and powerful pump. Very heavy, and excellent quality. Pulled a vacuum and waited patiently for bubbles to rise and pop. I kept a vague eye on the time, and when the bubble action had slowed I carefully vented. Pretty much all remaining bubbles disappeared. I poured this and ended up with a bubble-free beautiful pour. Number 3. HNZXIB closed-loop extractor. This innovative extractor is designed for efficient and precise extractions. Its double-layered stainless steel construction ensures durability and ease of use. It boasts a generous 90-gram capacity, perfect for various applications. The double-layered design allows for both hot and cold reactants. Experience enhanced performance with the upgraded food-grade stainless steel ball valve and a convenient vacuum gauge for precise monitoring. The improved detachable tripod offers flexible mounting options, adapting to your specific needs and setup. It comes with everything you need: extra filters, gaskets, sealing tape, and a silicone pad. We've taken care of the details so you can focus on your work. Made from high-quality 304 food-grade stainless steel, it's easy to clean and ensures your extracts remain pure and uncontaminated. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty, providing you with peace of mind and support. We're committed to your success. What we like. This unique design features a double-layered chamber and comes with extra accessories. It's perfect for precise control and convenience. If you prioritize precise temperature control and added convenience, this is the best option. What people say. I was really surprised by the quality and heavy-duty stainless steel. The clamps and extra parts were quality also. Extraction tube works great. It came with an optional top with a valve and an optional bottom with a valve and a few extra gaskets, easy to put together. The media could not be loaded. I like that you can pack the sides with dry ice and the capacity isn't a ridiculous. First batch I made, I keep whitening everyone out with my honey from this contraption. Number 2. StonyLab Soxhlet Extractor. This is the StonyLab Soxhlet Extractor, perfect for various laboratory extractions. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use in your experiments. It's constructed from high-quality borosilicate glass, known for its durability and resistance to chemicals. This ensures reliable performance and longevity. This complete unit includes everything you need: a Soxhlet extractor, Allen condenser, and 2 500 ml flasks. Everything is ready to go for your extraction process. It's suitable for various applications, including refluxing, botanical extraction, and continuous solid liquid extraction. It's a versatile tool for your lab. StonyLab stands behind its products. If it arrives damaged, contact us immediately for assistance. We are committed to your satisfaction. Its simple design makes it easy to use and maintain. Spend less time on setup and more time on your research. What we like. Made of high-quality borosilicate glass, it's ideal for precise laboratory extractions. It's a complete unit, ready to use. If you are conducting laboratory-scale extractions, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Well packaged, string enough to survive being shipped. The extractor arrived free of cracks or other defects. The one time I used the item, it performed as advertised without any problems. Most of my glassware is from StonyLab. They have performed admirably in quality, shipping and customer service. Number 1. HNZXIB 5L Short Path Kit. This complete kit is designed for efficient distillation. It includes everything you need to get started, from the boiling flask to the vacuum pump. It boasts a large 5L boiling flask, perfect for larger scale distillations. This allows for longer run times and increased yield. The short path design ensures that the condensate travels a minimal distance, maximizing efficiency and minimizing losses. You'll see a significant improvement in your distillation process. It's constructed from durable borosilicate glass for superior chemical resistance and longevity. The components are designed for easy assembly and cleaning. This kit includes a vacuum-jacketed distillation adapter with V-grow columns and a 3-way cow adapter for multiple receiving flasks. It's a truly professional setup for serious distillations. The kit comes with a 5L boiling flask, 3 500 ml receiving flasks, a high-quality vacuum pump, and a cooling chiller. Everything you need is included in one convenient package. It has a distillation temperature range of 140 to 250 degrees Celsius and can run for 4 to 8 hours. The vacuum pump achieves a degree of vacuum of 0.098 MPa. Each kit undergoes a 100% inspection before shipment. Contact us within 24 hours if it arrives damaged, excluding minor imperfections. What we like. With a large capacity and a cooling chiller, it's perfect for efficient distillation. The short path design ensures high purity. If you need a high-capacity, efficient distillation system, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything came packed well. Glass intact. Just need vac pump oil, not included, and good to go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.